What if I told you the reason most cars die early has nothing to do with poor engineering, but everything to do with how you treat them? While most drivers scramble to buy extended warranties or trade in their vehicles before 100,000 miles, there's a growing tribe of car owners quietly driving the same vehicles for 300,000, 400,000, even 700,000 miles without needing a major overhaul. Their secret? Just 10 daily and weekly habits. And habit number 6 is something your own mechanic probably ignores. Stick around because these habits aren't just game-changing, they'll make your car last for life. Habit 1. Warm up the smart way. You might think idling your car for 5 minutes before driving protects the engine, especially in winter. But here's the truth. Extended idling does more harm than good. When you let your car sit too long, it leads to incomplete combustion, soot buildup in the cylinders, and unburnt fuel washing down into the oil. According to Toyota's engineering team, the best way to warm up your engine is to start it, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and drive gently until the engine reaches full operating temperature. That smooth, moderate load warms everything faster and reduces wear. Habit 2. Check and top off fluids weekly. This one's boring, but essential. Drivers who rack up high miles religiously check their oil, coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and windshield washer levels once a week. Why? Because a slow coolant leak or low brake fluid level might not trigger a warning light until it's too late. A dry master cylinder can destroy your braking system. Low oil, even by a single quart, can throw off engine balance and lead to overheating. One quick glance under the hood each Sunday could prevent thousands in repairs. Buy a $10 rag, keep it in your glove box, and make fluid checks a ritual. Habit 3. Use the 2-minute rule. After hard driving. You just got off the freeway after an hour of high-speed driving. Maybe you were towing a trailer, climbing a steep hill, or pushing your turbo engine hard. What do you do when you park? If the answer is shut the engine off immediately, you're destroying your turbo or oil system without knowing it. Experts recommend letting the car idle for at least 2 minutes after heavy driving. This allows oil and coolant to circulate, cooling vital engine and turbo components gradually. It's a tiny habit that separates those who replace engines from those who don't. Habit 4. Clean the throttle body every 15,000 miles. Here's a trick your mechanic won't mention unless you ask. A dirty throttle body restricts airflow, messes with your idle, and throws off fuel economy. It also confuses the throttle position sensor, leading to poor acceleration and rough shifting. Cleaning your throttle body with a dedicated cleaner takes 10 minutes and costs under $15. Mechanics like Scotty Kilmer and Chris Fix have preached this for years. High-mileage cars with responsive gas pedals all have this one thing in common: a clean throttle body. Habit 5. Avoid short trips. If you constantly take short trips, like driving a mile to the store or picking up the kids, you're ruining your engine's longevity. Here's why. Engines need time to burn off condensation and fuel vapors. On short trips, the oil never gets hot enough to evaporate moisture. That means sludge builds up. Over time, this thick tar-like residue clogs oil passages and increases internal wear. If you must take a short drive, combine it with errands or add an extra 5-minute loop. Keeping your engine running longer helps it stay clean from the inside out. Habit 6. Rotate tires every 5,000 miles, no exceptions. This isn't just about tires. It's about your entire suspension and drivetrain. Uneven tire wear leads to poor alignment, which causes components like CV joints, bushings, and shocks to wear prematurely. Worse, it reduces your MPG and increases vibration, putting stress on mounts and even the engine itself. Every 5,000 miles, rotate your tires in the recommended pattern, front to back or cross, depending on your drivetrain. It adds years to both tires and suspension parts. And if your mechanic skips it during oil changes, ask for it by name. Habit 7. Use OEM or high-quality filters. Your engine breathes through its air and oil filters. Use a cheap $3 air filter, and it's like giving your car asthma. Use a poor-quality oil filter, and you risk dirty oil circulating faster. Long-term car owners know that original equipment manufacturer, OEM, filters or premium aftermarket filters, like Wix or Bosch, make a difference. They capture smaller particles, seal better, and don't collapse under pressure. Want your engine to reach 300,000 miles or more? Never cheap out on filters. Habit 8. Keep it clean, inside and out. Think washing your car is just about appearances? Think again. Dirt, grime, and road salt trap moisture and corrode body panels, brake lines, suspension parts, and even fuel lines over time. Underneath the car, especially in salt-prone regions, rust eats away at your vehicle's structural integrity, silently. A clean car is a healthy car. Detailing also matters. A cluttered, dusty interior contributes to mold, air quality issues, and unnecessary wear on buttons, fabrics, and electronics. Make it a habit to wash your vehicle every 2 to 3 weeks and invest in a seasonal underbody wash if you live in areas that use road salt. Wax every 4 to 6 months to seal the paint and protect against UV damage. Some drivers even say their regular car washes help them bond with their car, and they're more likely to catch issues early because they see them clearly. Habit 9. Stick to a maintenance log. Yes, really. It sounds like something only fleet managers or car nerds do, but maintaining a physical or digital maintenance log is a powerful tool for long-term car ownership. Why? Because memory fades, but records don't. When did you last flush your brake fluid? How long ago did you install those spark plugs? Are you due for a timing belt or just imagining it? A clear, consistent maintenance log eliminates doubt and gives you the ability to catch problems before they snowball. You'll also impress mechanics with how organized you are, and if you ever sell the car, a documented history massively increases its value. Apps like Drivo or Simply Auto make this easy and even alert you before you're due for maintenance. This one habit has saved some owners thousands by preventing duplication of service or delayed critical replacements. Habit 10. Listen, and I mean literally. One of the most powerful tools you have for car longevity is your ears. That's right, sound. High-mileage owners often report they knew something was off before a breakdown, simply because the car sounded different. Every squeak, knock, rattle, or hum tells a story. The ticking sound when cold could be valve lash. A low humming at 40 mescan might be a wheel bearing. Clicking in tight turns, probably a CV joint. And here's the kicker. The sooner you notice and diagnose it, the cheaper the fix. The longer you wait, the more catastrophic the damage. Start making it a habit to drive with the radio off a couple of times a week. Learn your car's sounds, then listen for anything new. This diagnostic ear is what longtime mechanics use daily. You can train it too. Bonus tip, drive like you own it for life. No, we're not talking about granny-style driving. We're talking about intentional driving. Smooth acceleration, smart deceleration, avoiding potholes, not tailgating. Aggressive drivers destroy their cars faster than anyone. Hard braking warps rotors. Sudden acceleration stretches timing chains and batters transmissions. Abrupt steering puts strain on ball joints and control arms. Driving with care doesn't mean being slow. It means being consistent. Use cruise control when possible. Keep RPMs moderate unless you need power. Respect warm-up times. When you treat your car like a partner, it'll return the favor mile after mile. Conclusion: the forever car isn't a myth, it's a method. Most people believe cars are disposable, built to die young, that after 150,000 miles, it's time to move on. But what if you rejected that narrative? What if your car didn't just survive, but thrived well into the 300,000 or even 500,000 mile range without major repairs? Here's the truth. Cars today are more advanced and durable than ever before. The limiting factor? You. Your daily habits. Your commitment to the little things. These 10 habits we've explored aren't revolutionary, but that's the point. They're simple, repeatable, and they work. Whether you drive a humble Corolla or a turbocharged BMW, these habits are universal. You don't need a mechanic's toolbox or an engineering degree. You just need discipline, awareness, and the willingness to treat your car like it's worth keeping for life. So, which of these habits do you already practice? Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let's compare notes. Because if we can build forever cars, we can break the cycle of constant repairs, replacements, and regrets. Thanks for watching, and remember, take care of your car, and it'll take care of you.